The following video is rated PG.
Wow, I didn't realize we have a kitchen now. That is so cool.
Yeah. It took us 2 months to get there. We should hopefully be ready for Orange's dinner party tonight.
Yeah, and we can even watch football while dipping the chips into ketchup.
Chuck, you know you can't always eat chips. They are not healthy.
Who told you that? I didn't hear about it the last time we had this kind of conversation.
True, but you still need to switch to healthy foods instead.
I can eat whatever the hell I want, okay?
Alright. God. Well, rude.
Hey, guess what, Chuck? Hal is moving to the household today. We got his room finished, and we should hopefully help him settle in. How does it sound?
Yeah, I guess.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. It's just my brother having a brain malfunction.
Oh, right. Oh, that must be Orange. He's home.
Oh, get it? Oh, hi. Come in.
Hi, can I help you with anything?
Itt van Redbeard.
Yes, he's cooking at the kitchen for Orange's party.
Ez az oka annak, hogy itt vagyok. Attól tartok, rossz hírekkel kell előállnom. Az Orange Beard autóbalesetet szenvedett tegnap este az M3-as úton.
What, is he okay?
Nagy sebességgel haladt, majd lehajtott az útról és egy dombra csapódott, közben 3-szor megpördült, majd kigyulladt. Sérülései olyan súlyosak voltak, hogy életét vesztette. Nagyon sajnálom.
Together, you and I forever and ever. No matter where you are, you're my guiding star. And from the very first moment I saw you, I never felt such emotions. I'm walking on air just to know. To stay forever, closer each day, home and away.
What do you mean Orange is dead? Since when?
Tegnap éjjel. A véreredmények partidrogokat és a osztályú gyógyszereket mutatnak a szervezetében. Az biztos, hogy Orange ivott és drogozott vezetés közben. Ez okozta a balesetet.
This is all just a sick joke. Orange can't be dead. We were supposed to be having a party for him tonight.
Wait a minute. Orange actually hid his drug addiction the entire time. How come we were the last to know?
That's ridiculous. Orange would never do drugs. Why would he do this?
Actually, I was the first to know. The other day I was talking to Orange and he started to act pretty strangely.
Orange, my man, could you help me out, please? I'm cooking some spicy pizza for dinner.
Wait, what are you doing? You're cooking at the wrong spot. The grill is in the backyard.
Who cares, man? I can cook wherever the hell I want.
Are you okay?
Never been better, man. These party drugs gave me more energy.
What did you just say? Cuzzy, have you been doing drugs?
That's none of your business.
Orange, what has gotten into you?
Who do you think you are, huh? You destroyed everything. My computer is dead, my PlayStation 4 is dying, and I'm losing everything. This is all your fault, man. You should better rot in hell.
Then, I managed to get Orange's backpack without his knowledge and searched his belongings. That's when I found a class A drug pill. I was too scared to tell anyone about his drug addiction because I didn't want you guys to be worried about him. I should have done it sooner.
It's okay, my boy. At least you explained everything.
Hello, biztosan te vagy Hook. Gyarmati Brigitta felügyelő vagyok. Azt hallottam, hogy az unokatestvéred meghalt egy autóbalesetben tegnap este.
Yeah, I wasn't surprised how he died. He was hooked up with drugs the whole time and none of my family knew about it. except me.
Látom, lejönnél velem a parkba beszélgetni. Mindent meg tudunk beszélni az orangeról. Oké, akkor mióta ismeritek egymást Orangeszal?
For 10 years, apparently, we were best mates until we didn't see each other again because of a heated debate. But I reunited with him since then.
És azt is hallottam, hogy csináltál vele néhány videót. Mi volt az első ilyenkor?
The one when I played Angry Birds 2 with Orange watching, and we both died.
I'm playing Angry Birds 2 with my cousin, Orange! Yeah, how's it going? Yo, Jesse! How's it going? What was that? Lydia! Stop it! Lydia, I'm begging you!
Tehát te és Orange közeli barátok voltatok. Mindketten soha nem csináltatok semmi rosszat egymással, amíg rá nem jöttetek. Mit csinált valójában Orange? Ön volt az első, aki tudott a drogfüggőségéről és az ivási problémájáról.
Yes, he used the F word at me, which is something I have never heard in my life, ever. Then he started yelling at me and threatened to hurt my family. He never behaved like this before, and I was worried about him until he died.
Hook, soha nem késő beszélni valakivel az Orange Birdről. Ha van kedve valakivel beszélgetni, soha nem késő, csak meg kell próbálnod tovább lépni, és túltenni magad a gyászon egy ponton.
Okay, I will.
Hi, what are you guys doing here? Has something happened?
Sajnáljuk, hal. Orange barátot tegnap este meghalt.
Very funny.
Ez nem vicc. Hal, Orange osztályú kábítószert és parti kábítószert fogyasztott, és vezetés közben megivott egy üveg vodkát és friskit, majd összetörte az autóját és halálra égett. Részvétünk a madár családjának.
I mean, I don't even know what I feel about Orange right now. I kind of feel sorry for him, but I really don't.
He was my cousin, Blue. He was a good person until he changed completely.
Well, drugs aren't good at all.
Exactly. We should have realized this sooner.
Do you remember that one time we lost Blackbird while we were in Poet Fort? It completely destroyed the park and made it look like a war zone, which is no wonder why we moved out of this place. It was too difficult to live there, not to mention the money.
Yeah, it's no wonder you guys lost your fame and rich life, like what happened with the Rose family.
Wow! Check it out. Looks like a great party. What are you doing here? This is not a party. It's Orange's wake.
A wake! What is that? A party for dead people.
Just who invited you here? Huh? Get out and leave us alone.
What's wrong, Chuck? Aren't you pleased to see me? Oh, come on! You must have known that I am part of this party. And so is my son!
Rendben, mi folyik itt? Önöknek nincs engedélyük belépni a helyiségbe a gyászülés alatt. Valaki a Bird családból meghalt, és nem így fejezett ki a tiszteletet. Vagy azonnal elmész, vagy mindkettőtöket letartóztatlak.
Wait, why me? Why do I have to be arrested? I'm too young to go to jail.
Csak menj. Most?
Life! Stuff you then! You should all be shamed!
Kedves barátok, családtagok és minden jelenlévő, mindannyian összegyűltünk ma, hogy végső búcsút vegyen Orange Terence Beardtől. Orangeté a kezdetektől fogva sokan tréfamesterként ismerték, aki szívesen viccelődött barátainak. Egyszer részt vett a Bocuse d'Or Competition meghallgatásán, de magas főzési tudása ellenére nem sikerült. Emellett minden nap tévét néz, hogy lássa, mikor jönnek a kedvenc műsorai. Orange tiszta és kedves ember volt, amíg el nem kezdett kábítószerfüggővé válni. Ez nem ugyanaz az Orange Beard, aki egykor volt. Amikor életét vesztette egy autóbalesetben, mindannyian tudtuk, hogy eljött számára a nap. Az Orange Beard sokáig hiányozni fog. Köszönöm.
Chuck, what are you doing here? You were supposed to be at home.
You weren't at home, so I followed you here. However, this can't wait.
Wait, what can't wait? What are you doing?
Something that I should have done months ago. Blue Terence Bird, will you marry me?
Oh, yes, Chuck. Yes.
Hello? Kingpig? Yes, this is Zach. I think I found a way how we can track down the bird family once and for all.
You know we belong together, you and I forever and ever, until the end of time. I'm yours and you are mine. Ooh, I couldn't spend another minute living my life without you in it. It's suddenly clear I will always need you here. Hold me in your arms, don't let me go. I want to stay forever closer.